metal music. We'd like to explain about left hand chord movement, about the music Tanjiro no Uta, Demon Slayer. The left hand is moving, stepping down, sometimes stepping up. That is not the same way as you listen many pop music. We listen the music first and let's analyze the music. Thank you. Let's listen the music with the accompaniment. The accompaniment is not the chord, single note, as you see E, D, C, G. These are the accompaniment. Let's see the first line. The left hand is moving. These are stepping down. Here is another place. The chord is basically moving, stepping down. How you can put right hand when left hand is moving, stepping down. Let's see the music again. When your left hand is E, right hand started from G. And when the left hand is D, right hand is F. When your left hand is C, right hand is E. Actually, they are moving with the same interval. Let's see more. A and C, G and B, F and A. So why don't we start composing? Let's start from C for left hand. Stepping down B, stepping down A, stepping down G. So let's put the right hand. You make sure when your left hand moves C, B, A, G, right hand also moves with the same interval. So for example, I pick E for my first right hand. So left hand is C, right hand is E, so I have third interval. When my left hand moves to B, my right hand is D, third interval. When my left hand is A, my right hand is C, third interval. When my left hand is G, my right hand is B. Let's make the music. This is really fun. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.